Hey guys, Mike was getting Greasy Garage. Thought I would do just a quick walk around of the $1,000 auto here. I got the grill out right now because, of course, I pulled the engine, but I didn't really do much of a walk around of it before. Now, of course, it's dirty; it needs a wash. But so the plans for this truck are a 3-inch lift kit with some other wheels and some 33-inch tires, so it'll give it the right stance. Look at that mint black tailgate. This truck's got 115,000 original on it with a mint interior. It's minty. And like I said, with the 4.8, I'm going to install a BTR Racing Stage 2 cam and valve springs. Open up the gaps on the piston rings, which I'm going to reuse the stock ones. There's nothing wrong with them. Going to use a eBay T4 style turbo kit, which once the kit comes in, I'll do a whole video on that and show you guys everything that it comes with and the options and what have you. And then again, as from the earlier video that I showed the eBay page, you can go look yourself. But this thing ought to really wake up. The transmission is going in for a complete full heavy-duty build. It's a 4L60, so, you know, they're, they're a known weak link anyway. But I won't be a weak link once my transmission guy, which is Brian down at Transmission Specialists down in Longview, Washington. And got all the parts piled up, everything I took loose to get the engine out. So, gonna go ahead and throw a new radiator in it while I got it apart. This one appeared to be leaking. New belts, new water pump, new tensioner, new fan clutch. Won't be reusing these manifolds or this Y-pipe. So, yeah, some changes, but it'll be quite impressive. I wish I would have had the chance to drive this truck before tearing it down, but with a locked up engine, that's pretty much impossible. And as you guys saw, the crank, it wiped out the bearings, so there was no chance of even remotely getting it to run. But it didn't hurt the bores or the pistons, anything. It didn't hurt the cam bearings, any of that stuff. So, yeah. Anyway, thought you guys might actually want to see a little bit more of this truck up close. Somebody stuck the nice newer slide out mirrors on it. But it's in real nice shape. We just covered that seat so that when working on it, just don't get anything dirty. But, yeah. Well, anyway, guys, just thought I'd give you a quick look at the truck here. And anyway, I'm just waiting on parts now. I did find a crank kit, which will get ordered tonight. Got a gasket set. Finally found one for a reasonable price that's available. I like Felpro gaskets. I've had the best luck with them, so that's what we went with. What else am I? Oh, the only other thing, once the crank gets here and the cam gets here, then I'll order the timing set. But then I can start putting this bad boy together. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. And keep your eye out. We're going to go ahead and do another giveaway coming up. And we'll shoot for like 500 subscribers this time. All right, guys. See you in the next one. This is $1,000 auto. $1,000 auto is what I call this.